Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English 360. I'm Sophia, your friendly English coach, and today we've got something extra special.
Hi, everyone. I'm Liam, and it's my very first day here. I'm a bit nervous, so please be kind.
Haha, don't worry, Liam, we don't bite here.
That's a relief. I heard bite the bullet earlier, so I was just making sure. Should I be wearing armor or something?
Oh, no, not that kind of biting. We're talking about idioms, those funny English phrases that don't always mean what they sound like.
Phew. For a moment, I thought this was a survival podcast.
Nope, just survival English. And trust me, learning English with us is as easy as pie.
Hmm. Pie. I already like this podcast. Does every lesson come with dessert?
Only if you hit the books first.
Deal. Let's dive in before I get too hungry.
So, today we're going to learn 10 fun idioms, and we'll practice speaking them together. If you're listening at home, try shadowing. That means listen, repeat, and speak with us to improve your pronunciation.
Oh, and don't forget to grab the free PDF we made for you. It includes all the idioms, meanings, and even a bonus mini exercise.
Yes, you'll find the link right below this episode. Totally free, no hidden costs.
Except it may be the cost of your time. But hey, it's time well spent.
Exactly, so let's jump right in. To break the ice means to do something that makes people feel more comfortable in a new situation.
Like when I made that bad joke earlier. That was me breaking the ice, right?
Exactly. Ice officially broken, Liam.
So, piece of cake means something is very easy, right?
Yes. For example, learning English is a piece of cake when you have fun.
Can we also say cake of peace?
Haha, no, that would just confuse the baker. To hit the books means to study hard.
So, I shouldn't actually hit them?
Nope, just open them gently and read what's inside.
Good, because I just bought new books. I don't want to start a fight with them.
When someone says they're under the weather, it means they're not feeling well.
Like when I stay up too late watching funny cat videos.
Exactly. Sleep first, cats later.
To spill the beans means to tell a secret, right?
Yes. For example, Liam spilled the beans about our surprise party.
Oops, I already spilled my coffee this morning. Does that count?
Only if your coffee had gossip in it. This idiom means something that happens very rarely.
Like me being early to class.
Exactly, my sauce. Once in a blue moon. Perfect. And listeners, the ball is in your court.
That means it's my turn to take action, right?
Repeat these idioms out loud with us. This means something is very expensive.
Like your new phone, huh?
Hey, it cost an arm, a leg, and maybe a slice of pie, too.
To bite the bullet means to do something difficult that you've been avoiding.
Yes, like cleaning your messy room or replying to old emails.
I'll bite the bullet tomorrow.
Of course, classic procrastination. To hit the nail on the head means to say something that is exactly right.
So if I say English is fun to learn, did I hit the nail on the head?
Absolutely. And you're getting better every minute.
Wow, Sophia, that was actually a piece of cake. And maybe a slice of pie, too.
Ha ha, see, you're learning fast.
Thanks for having me. I can't wait for the next episode. Maybe we can talk about phrasal verbs next time?
That's a great idea. What do you say, listeners? Should we do that next week?
The ball is in your court, everyone.
Exactly. Remember to shadow, repeat, and laugh while learning. Because English isn't just grammar, it's about fun, friendship, and confidence.
Keep shining, English stars.
See you all next time on English Learners Podcast. Keep shining, English stars.